Hello and welcome to our webinar on building a sustainable project model based on green project management's P5 standard and PRiSM model. My name is Mark.
And I'm Brian. We're both from Aspire Innovation, a global consultancy helping manufacturers get from idea to sustainable profit.
This is the third part in our webinar series about sustainable product development. In this webinar, we'll focus on how to build sustainability into the product development model using the P5 standard and the PRiSM model. We'll also touch on some practical ways to get started on your journey.
We hope you'll find this webinar informative and engaging. You're always welcome to contact us for more information. We're happy to discuss your challenges over a virtual cup of coffee. All our contact information can be found in the video description and in the text below.
Let us get started with the basics. What are the P5 standard and the PRiSM model, and how are they related?
P5 standard is the global standard for sustainability and project management developed by Green Project Management, a nonprofit organization dedicated to advancing the field of sustainable project management. The P5 stands for people, planet, prosperity, product, process, and product, which are the 5 dimensions of sustainability that the standard covers.
The P5 standard provides a comprehensive framework that aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. They are offering project managers and organizations a clear path to contribute positively to our planet and society. It also provides practical tools and methodologies for project teams to assess, measure, and improve on their sustainability performance.
The PRiSM model is the product delivery methodology based on the P5 standard. PRiSM stands for Projects Integrating Sustainable Methods. It's an innovative, principles-based, sustainable project management methodology, setting it apart from traditional approaches.
PRiSM elevates projects to a strategic level, leveraging existing organizational systems to ensure comprehensive benefits are realized both horizontally and vertically. With unwavering attention to process and product sustainability, PRiSM fosters an environment that encourages lasting positive impacts.
The foundation of PRiSM is built on the 6 principles of sustainable change delivery derived from the UN Global Compact's 10 principles, Earth Charter, and ISO 26000, guidance on corporate social responsibility. These principles are respect for human rights, fair labor practices, environmental responsibility, anti-corruption, stakeholder management, and social equity.
The uniqueness of PRiSM extends beyond the typical project lifecycle, adopting a 5-phased approach that thoughtfully incorporates pre-project planning, product service adoption, and integration, as well as benefits realization. This comprehensive framework ensures that projects not only meet their objectives, but also contribute to a sustainable future.
Now that we have a basic understanding of what the P5 standard and the PRiSM model are, let's talk about why they are important for project success and sustainability. Mark, can you share some of the benefits of using these approaches?
Sure, Ryan. There are many benefits of using the P5 standard and the PRiSM model, both for the project itself and for the organization and society at large. Here are some of the key ones. Reduced risk. By incorporating sustainability into every aspect of the project, you can reduce the risk of negative impacts on the environment, society, and economy, as well as enhance the resilience of the project to external shocks and uncertainties. Increased value. By aligning the project with the organizational and global sustainability goals, you can create shared value that goes beyond the traditional measures of project success, scope, time, cost, and quality. You can also optimize the value of the product throughout its lifecycle, from inception to disposal. Improved reputation. By demonstrating your commitment to sustainability, you can enhance your reputation and credibility among your stakeholders, customers, partners, and regulators. You can also attract and retain talent, investors, and supporters who share your vision and values. And fourth, competitive advantage. By adopting a sustainable project management methodology, you can gain a competitive edge in the market and differentiate yourself from your competitors. You can also leverage these opportunities and innovations that sustainability offers, such as new technologies, markets, and business models.
Wow, those are impressive benefits. I can see how the P5 standard and the PRiSM model can help project managers and their organizations achieve project success and sustainability in a holistic and integrated way.
So, how can we apply the P5 standard and PRiSM model to our own projects? Well, the good news is that these approaches are quite flexible and adaptable to any type of project, regardless of size, complexity, industry, or sector. You can use them as a standalone methodology or as a complement to your existing project management practices.
The first step is to familiarize yourself with the P5 standard and the PRiSM model, which you can download for free from the Green Project Management website. You can also access other sources such as training materials, certification programs, case studies, and tools to help you learn and apply these approaches.
The second step is to conduct a sustainability impact assessment of the P5IA for your projects. This is a tool that helps you identify and evaluate the potential impacts of your projects on the 5 dimensions of sustainability. Remember, people, planet, prosperity, product, and process. The P5IA also helps you prioritize and mitigate the negative impacts and enhance the positive impacts of your projects.
The third step is to develop a sustainability management plan, or SMP, for your project, which is a document that outlines the objectives, strategies, actions, indicators, and responsibilities for managing the sustainability aspects of your project. The SMP also helps you monitor and report on the project's sustainability, performance, and outcomes.
The fourth step is to implement and execute your project according to the PRiSM methodology. This consists of 5 phases: initiate, plan, execute, close, and sustain. Each phase has specific processes, deliverables, and tools that guide you through the project delivery lifecycle. This ensures that sustainability is embedded and integrated throughout.
The fifth and final step is to review and evaluate your project's sustainability, performance, and outcomes, using the tools and indicators that you defined in your own SMP. You can also compare your results with the baseline and targets that you set, as well as with the best practices and benchmarks from other projects and organizations. This will help you identify the lessons learned and areas for improvement for your future projects.
Getting started is always the hardest step. And that's where we are there to help you along the way also. So we are here to facilitate your journey, whether it's learning about the standard, completing your P5IA sustainability impact assessment, building a sustainability management plan, or executing according to the PRiSM methodology. We can also help you building the PRiSM model into your stage gate processes.
We hope that you've enjoyed this webinar and learned something new about building a sustainable project model based on the P5 standard and the PRiSM model. We also hope that you feel inspired and motivated to apply these approaches to your own projects and make a positive difference in the world.
Thank you for joining us today and for your active participation. We'd love to hear from you and support you in your sustainability journey. Contact us to let us know how your sustainability journey is going, or if you have questions about how to get started.
Have a great day and stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.
Goodbye for now.